The battle for the best mid-range smartphone just got more interesting. Apple has launched the iPhone 16e, a more affordable version of the iPhone 16 starting at $599. With that lower price comes a few compromises. It doesn't include MagSafe or Qi 2 wireless charging, lacks an ultra-wide-angle camera, skips the dedicated camera shutter button, and doesn't feature the dynamic island. Meanwhile, Google is preparing to release the Pixel 9a, rumored to launch in March for $499, making it at least $100 cheaper. Both phones aim to attract buyers in the mid-range segment, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. One of the biggest differences between these two devices is the display. The Pixel 9a is expected to feature a 120Hz OLED screen, which makes scrolling and animations feel much smoother than the 60Hz panel on the iPhone 16e. It also offers a higher brightness level, with a full-screen brightness of 1,800 nits and an HDR peak of 2,700 nits. This should make it easier to see outdoors and improve video playback. When it comes to cameras, Google's phone may have an edge. The iPhone 16e comes with a single rear camera, while the Pixel 9a is rumored to include a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, allowing users to take wider shots and making it more versatile for different types of photography. Despite these differences, both phones share some features. They support USB-C charging and offer water resistance. However, their approach to security is different. The iPhone 16e relies on Apple's advanced 3D face recognition, which is quick and works well in low-light conditions. In contrast, the Pixel 9a is expected to use an in-display fingerprint sensor, which some users might prefer for added privacy. Even though the Pixel 9a has advantages in display and camera technology, the iPhone 16e has strengths that can't be ignored. Its aluminum and glass build feels more premium compared to the plastic body of Google's phone. The biggest advantage, however, is performance. Apple's A18 processor is estimated to be around 72% faster than Google's Tensor G4 chipset, giving the iPhone 16e better speed for gaming, multitasking, and overall responsiveness. Apple's processors have a history of outperforming competitors in both raw power and efficiency, which means the iPhone 16e is likely to remain smooth and reliable for years. Battery life is another important factor. While Google hasn't revealed exact details about the Pixel 9a's battery capacity, the company often focuses on software efficiency to extend battery performance. On the other hand, Apple's deep integration of hardware and software allows for optimized power consumption. However, since the Pixel 9a has a 120Hz display, it may use more battery compared to the iPhone 16e's lower refresh rate. Those who prioritize longer battery life might find Apple's phone to be the better option. Another key consideration is software support. The iPhone 16e runs on iOS, ensuring long-term software updates and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Features like iMessage, AirDrop, and compatibility with other Apple devices make it appealing to those already using Apple products. In contrast, the Pixel 9 runs on Android and offers customization options, Google's AI-powered features, and integration with services like Google Assistant and Google Photos. For many buyers, the choice between iOS and Android will be just as important as the hardware itself. Deciding between the iPhone 16e and the Pixel 9a depends on individual priorities. If performance, premium build quality, longer software support, and Apple's ecosystem are key factors, the iPhone 16e is a strong contender. However, if a smoother display, a more versatile camera setup, and a lower price point matter more, the Pixel 9a might be the better choice. Both devices bring solid value to the mid-range smartphone market, offering users compelling reasons to pick either one. Which one would you go for? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Samsung is gearing up to introduce a more affordable foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip FE. This device aims to bring foldable technology to a wider audience by offering a budget-friendly alternative to the premium models. Leaks from recent firmware updates confirm that Samsung is actively developing this phone, with an initial launch expected in Europe. However, new reports indicate that it will also be available in India and the UAE, signaling a broader release strategy. A post from Tarun Vats on X has uncovered firmware listings for the Galaxy Z Flip FE in multiple regions, hinting at Samsung's efforts to expand its foldable lineup. By introducing a lower-cost version, the company seems to be targeting customers who have been hesitant to invest in foldables due to their high prices. As these devices gain popularity, making them more accessible could be a smart move for Samsung. Despite being a budget model, this new foldable is expected to retain several high-end features. Reports suggest that the phone will come with an armor aluminum frame, ensuring durability, and use the same hinge mechanism as the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 for a seamless folding experience. The main display is rumored to measure 6.7 inches, featuring AMOLED technology with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung is also expected to include ultra-thin glass to enhance durability while minimizing creases on the screen. However, details regarding the size of the cover display remain uncertain, and there is speculation that Samsung may make it smaller to reduce costs. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip FE is likely to feature an Exynos chipset, though the exact model remains unknown. It is expected to run One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, offering an improved software experience tailored for foldables. Samsung has been consistently enhancing its foldable software. This device should benefit from those refinements. In terms of cameras, leaks suggest a significant improvement over previous Flip models. The main rear camera is rumored to have a 50-megapixel sensor, a notable upgrade from the 12-megapixel sensors found in earlier versions. Additional camera details are unclear, but an ultra-wide lens is expected. The front-facing camera embedded within the main display is likely to provide high-quality selfies and smooth video calls. Battery performance is another key factor for foldables, and while the exact capacity has not been confirmed, reports indicate that it could support 25-watt fast charging. If it follows the pattern of previous Flip models, the battery may be around 3,700 mAh. With Samsung's software optimizations in One UI 7.0, battery efficiency could improve, allowing users to get through a full day even with a high refresh rate display. Since battery life has been a challenge for foldables, Samsung may introduce additional power-saving features to extend usage time. Connectivity is another area where this phone is expected to shine. The device will likely support Wi-Fi 6E for faster internet speeds and 5G for modern network capabilities. Since it is launching in multiple regions, there may be variations optimized for different network bands to ensure strong connectivity. These features could make the phone more appealing to users looking for a future-ready device. Although Samsung has not officially announced the launch date or pricing, the firmware leaks suggest that an unveiling is on the horizon. Industry insiders speculate that the phone might debut alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, possibly during Samsung's Unpacked event in July or August 2025. If Samsung manages to set an attractive price, this could be a major step in making foldable phones accessible to more consumers. Would you consider getting a more affordable foldable phone like the Galaxy Z Flip FE? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Samsung is working on exciting new camera features, and one of the standout additions to the Galaxy S25 series is AI filters. This tool, powered by Galaxy AI, allows users to create custom filters enhancing photos with unique styles and effects. But if you don't have a Galaxy S25, you might be wondering if this feature will be available on older devices. According to recent leaks, Samsung could be planning to bring AI filters to previous Galaxy models through the One UI 7 update. A well-known source, Tarim Vats, recently shared that AI filters may not be limited to the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has already made this feature available for the Galaxy S24 lineup as part of the fourth beta update of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15.